I did also get corona, and in that phase, what I have learned is you have to be very patient, and you have to be very a law-abiding person. Why? Because if you are not following things, you definitely get hit by uh, by corona. I was in home isolation, and that was the most worst period that I had ever spent, because I was only supposed to talk to my family people, no outside. I was not connected to any of my people outside.
Perspective towards life. In terms of professionalism, I would say, since coming from the entertainment industry, the major shift has happened. The movies have started reaching homes of the audience. Like instead of theaters, we have decided that let us reach their homes directly. So there is a major paradigm shift with respect to entertainment industry. COVID has taught us to be humble, guys. Okay, in fact, we never know how 2021 is going to be, because 2020 has taught us to be humble, because people have stopped planning for the next 5 years or 10 years.
तो बहुत बुरा तरह से गुजरा, क्योंकि हम लोग गए थे गांव नेपाल, मेरा घर है, नेपाल गए थे। नेपाल जाने के बाद हम लोग लॉकडाउन में फंस गए। उसके बाद इतना बुरा से फंस गए कि उधर में बहुत मुश्किल हुआ। हम लोग इधर काम करके खाते थे, उधर में काम कुछ नहीं, पैसा नहीं। गांव में तो वही होता है, पैसा वैसा कुछ नहीं, रोजगार कुछ नहीं। गांव में बैठे बैठे इतना बुरा हाल से फंस गए थे कि बहुत मुश्किल हो गया हम लोगों को गाँव।
Because of lockdown, there are some restrictions, like we need to wear PPE suits in hospitals with gloves and all. It's very difficult for us, like sometimes it feels like we are not able to breathe with that PPE suit and all, so it's difficult, but still enjoying, and we are getting out of this situation now.
Our schools closed on April, and I was enjoying lockdown in the starting. We have got assignments and homeworks, that all we were enjoying, and lots of fun of playing.
When we are thinking to spend money, 10 rupees, 20 rupees, we are not feeling anything. After this COVID, 10 rupees is the most important in our life, because of the things people are not earning money. Before this, Bangalore life cost of living is more. Now after this COVID, everything has came down. Cost of living has came down. Everything has came down. This is the year that's changed our life and entire world, I can say for you.
Despite the fact that the plans got ruined, the expectations were shattered, I think there was something very hopeful and introspective about the year, which I felt when I was actually placed and I was actually forced to stay all alone, all by myself for 4 months without any human contact in person. I learned editing, which I wanted to do from a very long period of time. I learned editing. I did all the interviews, everything by myself, and I promoted the videos, which by the way got a really good response. So I think 2020 was really like a blessing in disguise. But I do not want these strains to come again and again and ruin our lives, and please, COVID should go away. So now I just wish everybody a very happy new year.
ಟೋಟಲ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾಗೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ವೇರ್ ಆಲ್ ಮಾಸ್ಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಮಾಸ್ಕ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ಆರ್ ವೈಫ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಕೂಡ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಹಾಕಲೇಬೇಕು ಆಯಿತಾ. ಇಟ್ಸು ನಮ್ಮ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ನಮ್ಮ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಅವ್ರವ್ರ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಯಾರು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಡ್ಯೂಟಿ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಕೊರೋನಾ ಡೇಟಿ ಯಾರು ವಾರಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಎಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡೋರು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅದೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಗೊತ್ತಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದು ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು.